you know how to compile and manage your land use data in your workspace. In practice, to get the initial data, you may also rely on colleagues or partners working in the field. If they don't have access to your land use planner workspace, you can send them data collection sheets in a simple tabular format. In this way, you can also collect data with colleagues and partners who are not familiar with the land use planner. To find these data collection sheets that can be used offline, go to the Tools interface. From there, click on Land Use Planner in the top left corner to access our general landuseplanner.org website. From there, click on Steps, a button on the top of your screen, and then click Step 2. Then scroll down and click on Data Collection Worksheets. This will download an Excel file, and when you open this file, on the first tab, you can find some general guidance about the worksheets. On the next tab, you'll see an example entry for an annual crop. Here again, rice is taken as an example. You can see the data boxes are already filled in with the exact same data that we saw in our Loop workspace on productivity, costs, etc. There is one additional element here at the bottom of each tab, and that is the quick economic viability check. This enables you to verify that your costs and benefits data make sense. This is a good way to check your data, as it is common to make mistakes during data collection, for instance by not converting the data to the right units. In the remaining tabs, you'll find data collection templates for each type of land use. And if you'd like to add multiple land uses from the same category, all you have to do is copy the tab. Using these data collection sheets is optional, and you can also input the data directly into your workspace if that's easier for you and your collaborators. For additional guidance on data collection and on completing Step 2 of the Land Use Planner, check out our Step 2 manual available on our website. And as a reminder, you can also find these worksheets on the Step 2 page of landuseplanner.org.